Stop by and take a look at the 2017 S7. The S7 is the zenith of Orion engineering, so clear-cut in its purpose and accomplished in its execution that it might actually be all the car you'll ever need, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.